This pitch black eyeliner is just for ₹90 and it's just so good. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stylefit. Hope you are doing well. I'm Janani. I love creating videos related to self-care, makeup and fashion. So as you would have already known, today's video is all going to be about the top 5 makeup products or makeup finds under ₹500. They're so worth every rupee we pay and I did not expect it to be so good. So let's get started with the video without any further delay. So the first product is a skin tint which I'm absolutely obsessed. Being a brown skin girl, I find it very difficult to find a good perfect skin tint for us, right? So this skin tint works so well. It's just around ₹300 and it works so well on our brown dusky skin tone. And I'm speaking about this Inside Cosmetics 5-in-1 skin tint. So in 5-in-1 they mean it works as a serum, moisturizer, sunscreen, primer and a foundation. But I would say as a skin tint, I would just see it as a skin tint, maybe as a primer as well, because it just provides a gorgeous blurred skin like finish, not too blurred, like a realistic slight blurred finish, which I really like, and they are hydrating as well. So yeah, let's keep that 5-in-1 aside and just speak about this skin tint. This is very lightweight. I am in the shade Beautiful, though they have bought it in from 6 to 8 shades, I guess. I'm in the shade Beautiful and it has such a beautiful, gorgeous, lightweight, cream-like texture. As you can see, it's very perfect for my skin tone. So if you're around NC45, this shade is going to match so well. It has a slight warm undertone to it, which I really like. Like rather it isn't too orangey or too yellowy, but it has a right neutral to warm undertone. So it just matches my skin so perfectly. Very lightweight, great for everyday use, blends like a dream. And for any skin type, it just works, guys. I've been using it for around a month or two now and it works so well. I'm really liking it. So yeah, even today for base makeup I use this. My base looks so good whenever I use this. So if you're looking for a good affordable skin tint for everyday use, just you can blindly pick it and thank me later. This would get a complete 10 on 10. If the brand could expand the shade range more for deeper skin tone, it would be so good. Next product is a concealer which I really like. Again, this has been my go-to lately for an affordable price point. This works so well, and I'm speaking about this Mars Cancel Concealer. So if you've seen my videos, you would have known how much I've spoken about this concealer, because of the price we pay, it's like totally worth it. Like a high-end concealer, I can say. It just works so well, blends like a dream, provides fullest coverage with the slightest amount we use, and it's just so good. Again, with this, it has around 8 different shades, but if they can expand the shade range more for deeper skin tone, it would be so good. This range also comes with an orange corrector. So if you're looking to try one concealer on orange corrector, you can just blindly go with this. Again, if you're around NC45, the shade number 8 is gonna work so well on you. So this is how the shade looks like. It's not like a perfect match, but I usually use it as my highlighting concealer. So this is how the shade 8 looks like. It's called Espresso Elegance. Speaking about its formulation, it's a very lightweight, blends like a dream. It's very comfortable even for everyday use. Even if you have like slight flaws, but not too much, and you don't want to use a foundation every day, you can just spot conceal with this concealer because it provides the fullest coverage in lightest finish. You'll be good to go. You can just set it up with a setting powder or loose powder. Yeah, your base makeup would be just done just like that. So yeah, I really love the formulation. The shade range, yes, they can definitely improve. Mars Cosmetics, if you're hearing this, please improve the shade range, because I would like to get my perfect skin match in this range. It would be so good. Again, apart from shade range, when we speak about the formulation, it's just a 10 on 10, but overall I would say it's a 9 on 10. The third product is a Kajal that I'm recently obsessed because it's just so good. Even if you have watery sensitive eyes like me, it's gonna work so well on you. I'm speaking about this Fair Beauty Ideal Gel Kajal. So it comes in 2 shades. I have the shade black. As you can see, it has 2 sides. So one side you have the Kajal. It is a retractable Kajal. So again, the other side you have this brush you can just use it to smoke out your eyeliner and you'll be good to go. And when you open the cap, you have this sharpener where you can sharpen the kajal. So it's like so good, so multi-purpose. It can be used as a kajal, it can be used as an eyeliner. It has pitch black pigmentation, so let me show you. Can you see? It's just one swipe pigmentation, so pitch black, so good. It just glides like butter on skin. Yeah, once it's set, it's completely smudge proof, transfer proof. It works so well for everyday use. So yeah, you can use it as a kajal, eyeliner, create a smoky eye, a good multi-purpose product under rupees 500. Just try this and again you'll thank me later. All these products are just so good and so worth every rupee you pay for it. So do check this out and I would give this a complete 10 on 10. Next is an eyeliner. This eyeliner, you can ask me, you spoke about a kajal, can we also use this eyeliner? Why a liquid eyeliner again? Okay, this eyeliner, I was really in shock. I don't really usually buy products that are very cheap because I feel like the quality is also not that great, but this one just excited me so much that I should try. And that's the eyeliner that I've been using recently in all of my videos, and it is just so good. You won't believe I purchased it just for rupees 90 rupees. Yes, 90, that's it, the price of the product. And I'm speaking about this Inside Cosmetics. It's their no smudge eyeliner. It's a very tiny bottle. It's super travel friendly, so it has a very good flexible applicator, so you can draw very thin eyeliner to a thick winged eyeliner. So let me just show you the pigmentation. Can you see that one swipe pigmentation is just one swipe? As you can see, it's super pitch black. Again, once it's set, it sets quickly. Once it's set, it is transfer proof, smudge proof, and it's just so good. I'm wearing it today. Can you see? Nothing is there. How much ever I rub, nothing is there. So it's just so good, super pitch black, just one swipe pigmentation. Everything about it is just top notch. This would get again more than a 10 if I would say, but yeah, overall it's a 10 on 10. Last one, to complete our look we would need a lip tint or a lip color, right? So I have this Mars velvet lip tint. Again, I have spoken about it in many of my previous videos if you could have seen. So this One Love shade is a very gorgeous brown shade that's going to suit any of your skin tone. So even if you're deeper than me, it's going to suit you so well. It has a beautiful velvet kind of a packaging again, and it's super travel friendly. So let me just show you a swatch of it. So this is half the shade. Oh wow, just look at that pigmentation, guys. It's just so good, right? Just one swipe pigmentation. You can build the pigmentation as well from just 2 to 3 dots and smudge it with your fingers. You'll have that very beautiful sheer coverage. If you want that full-on coverage like this, you can definitely use it with your lip applicator. So it's just so good. Once it's set, like, just leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. After you swipe it off or smudge it off, you're gonna see a beautiful tint on your lips. So even if you have pigmented lips like mine, it's gonna work so well on you. I absolutely love it. For the price we pay, it's just so good. Also, this lip tint is not at all drying, so it's just so good for everyday use, right? And this would get a 9.5 on 10. That's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page stylefitwithjanu, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking that red button and the bell icon, so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I will also leave all the product links along with the name in the description box below. You can also let me know if you want me to continue the series, like part 3, part 4 and so on, with like top 5 and of rupees 500. So even if you are under budget, you want to find some good skincare, makeup or hair care finds, such videos will be helpful for you. So do let me know if you want me to continue with this series, and until next time, bye bye.